Hi YouTube viewers, thank you for coming to Nintendogs Welcome Home Puppy or whatever second part. And here's the pencil and let's get started with it. Hi, I'm just gonna tell you that I'm trying to figure out how to make the game a little bit clearer. Thank you for letting me pass. Yeah. Okay, welcome to the second part where I have to name my puppy. Good, because it's time for you to name your puppy by saying its new name out loud. What am I gonna call him though? I just really don't know. Like, the camera is like, I don't know. So right here, I'm gonna put it a little bit up and kind of like zoom in a little bit. I don't know, that doesn't even work. For what do I bother with it? I know. Pronounce it very clearly like this. He's gonna be named Peaches. When you're ready, touch the begin audio input and then say your puppy's name. Peaches. He heard you. He's just a little cutie. Cutie, cutie, cutie. He's a little cutie. Okay. Now it's like kinda too far away. So I'll better like zoom into it. Don't know if you could see it well or not. Peaches. He heard you. Peaches. He heard your name. You better make a note of it before you or your puppy forget. Okay. Peaches. I'm not left arm, that's why I can't do it. Now I'm right again. Peaches. Ooh, it could just fit right in there. I didn't know that. Is Peaches correct? Well, of course Peaches is correct. Why wouldn't it be? I don't know. I'm just trying like to find a way to make this a good video. If not, I'm totally like gonna forget with this, and I'm gonna do a feedback to the YouTube viewers. I mean to the YouTube I don't know, employers or something. Oh, he's just so cutie. And he even looks good on the computer though. This dog name is now Peaches. Peaches seems to be quite happy that you've given him a name. Yeah, now I should call him and pet him gently if he, like, I don't know. I'm doing the sheet mode, so here's what it says. After your trainer points increase, the kennel got in some pinscher puppies, husky puppies. After your trainer points increased, the interior decorator began offering desktop. After your trainer points increased, the kennel got in some poodle puppies, golden puppies, seaside, Schnauzer, beagle puppy, outer space, corgi puppies, street shoe puppies, urban living, Shiba Inu puppies, pug puppies, ranch house, Labrador puppies, Dachshund puppies, and that's all. Oh no, I forgot. Peaches! Oh, look at him down here. Peaches! 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 He seems to be very interested in you, now that you've called his name repeatedly. Maybe this would be a good time to teach him how to sit. Gently pet the top of Peach's head. Yeah. Just do like me. You do like this and slide it down. He sat. Then I'm just gonna say like, sit, and give him a cookie. Only one cookie because I'm trying to breathe. Sit. And there he sat. And this icon right here is like a bowl. You say sit. Okay, now I know you understand. You say sit. 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 Peaches learn, yeah. Then down here, you just write sit, the thing you taught him. I don't know. There's the word sit, a little bit blurry, in the computer. Confirm. Is it correct? Yes. Then you wanna make sure he really knows it. Peaches. Then you just call him. Sit. He sat. It looks like Peaches definitely responds to your voice and your commands. Now that he's learned sit, you can try teaching him other commands too. There are plenty of stuff. Yeah. Now, please come in for the third part when I'm gonna get my other puppy to start breathing. Yay! He's so cute! Cutie! Yippee! Woo! Yay! He's a cutie! Cutie!